Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. So friends, today in this video you're watching the top 5 types of epoxy floor designs along with their price ranges. So friends, the prices can vary by location, brand, quality and installation complexity. This designs is beautiful and latest designs. The epoxy flooring is the popular choice for Indian homes. Its durability and aesthetic and low maintenance commonly used in homes because the first type is self-leveling epoxy flooring. This type is creates smooth and seamless and glossy surface that is ideal for leveling uneven concrete floors. It's versatile for residential kitchens, living rooms and bedrooms. And also you can use garages, commercial offices offering to the high durability and easy to cleaning. The price is the 45 rupees to 80 rupees per square foot. So friends, another one is the second one, metallic epoxy flooring. It's known for its shimmering and reflective finish that mimic the molten and metal or pearlescent effect. This design added to the luxurious and modern look for your living rooms. It's popular for living rooms and kitchens, bathrooms, and in showrooms. To high-end commercial spaces like provide good chemical resistant. The price is the 200 rupees to 400 rupees per square foot. And another one is the 3D epoxy flooring. Third one. This is the innovative design incorporate of 3D images or patterns like ocean, sense of geometric illuminations and under clear epoxy layer. It's creating depth effect. It's eye-catching for homes, living rooms, bedrooms, and bathrooms, and hotels or creative spaces but require skilled application. The price is the only 300 rupees to 450 rupees per square foot. And fourth one is the epoxy flake flooring. This features is the colorful vinyl flakes is cater into the epoxy base for texture and terrace-like appearance that sleep resistance and hide the imperfections and great for garages and workspaces or schools and customizable fake floors. The price is the 300 to 450 rupees per square feet. And another one is the fifth one, quarters of filled epoxy flooring. It's blend quartz of agarite into the epoxy floor for enhanced strength and slip resistant and suitable for granular texture. It's highly durable for industrial or high traffic areas like factories or bathrooms. The price is the 200 to 350 rupees per square feet. These prices is the include material and basic installation but exclude of taxes, labor extra for site preparations. For high-end customization cost can be raised for 500 rupees to 700 rupees per square feet. Always consult the local vendors in cities like Mumbai, Delhi or Bangalore for accurate costs has factors like thickness, example 1 to 3 mm and the size influence the final cost. So friends, installing epoxy floorings can be for smaller areas but or large or complex designs or 3D or metallic. A professional help to recommend to avoid of bubbles, uneven or failures. This process is that typically takes 2 to 5 days depending on the curing time and here is